Welcome to Learn with Rensha, Learning English channel.
Good morning, Jane.
Good morning, Mike. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. A bit sleepy, but good. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. I need my coffee to wake up.
Same here. I can't start my day without coffee.
Would you like a cup?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Here you go.
Thank you, Jane. You're the best.
You're welcome. Did you watch the football game last night?
No, I didn't. I was too tired. I went to bed early. Did you watch it?
Yes, I did. It was a great match. Very exciting.
Who won?
Our team won, 3-1.
That's awesome. I'll watch the highlights later.
You should. So, what's on your schedule today?
I have a meeting with the sales team at 10 a.m. Then I need to finish the monthly report. You?
I have some emails to answer, and then I have a video call with a client at 11.
Busy day for both of us.
Yes, but at least we have coffee.
True. This coffee is really good, by the way.
Thank you. It's a new brand I bought yesterday.
Nice choice. Maybe I'll buy some for home.
I'll send you the link later.
Thanks. Are you working on the Johnson project this week?
Yes, I started it yesterday. There's a lot to do, but I think it will go well.
Let me know if you need help.
Thanks, Mike. That's very kind of you.
No problem. We're a team.
Exactly. Anyway, I should get back to my desk.
Me too. Let's have lunch together later.
Sure. Let's meet at 12:30 in the cafeteria.
Sounds perfect. See you then.
See you, Mike. Have a good morning.
You too, Jane.
Hi, Mike. Are you ready for lunch?
Hey, Jane. Yes, I've been waiting. Did you bring your lunch today?
Yes, I made lunch at home. It's in my lunchbox.
Nice. What did you make?
I made chicken curry with rice. It smells really good.
Wow, that smells amazing. I was going to buy lunch, but now I'm not so sure.
Do you want to try some?
Really? Are you sure?
Of course. I brought extra. I love sharing food.
Thank you, Jane. You're a lifesaver.
You're welcome. I hope you like it.
This is delicious. You made this yourself?
Yes, I love cooking. I made it last night.
This is better than restaurant food. I'm not going to the cafeteria again.
I'm glad you like it.
I really do. What spices did you use?
Just some curry powder, garlic, and a little chili. Not too spicy.
It's perfect. Not too hot, just full of flavor.
Thanks. I can send you the recipe if you want to try it at home.
Yes, please. I want to cook like you.
Maybe one day I'll open a small restaurant.
If you do, I'll be your first customer.
Deal. So, what do you usually eat for lunch?
Mostly sandwiches, or I buy something from the cafeteria. Nothing special.
Homemade food is better sometimes. Healthier, too.
I agree. Maybe I should start bringing lunch from home.
That's a good idea. We can even do a lunch swap sometimes.
I like that. I'll bring something tomorrow. Let's see if you like my cooking.
I can't wait to try it.